Our topic today is how to prevent flies from causing a serious health hazard. So why do we get flies in our food outlet? Well, food is the main reason why you get flies in your restaurants. Food that is prepared, eaten and then thrown away attracts flies. One disturbing fact is that flies can lay up to 500 eggs within a 3-day period. As a result, flies multiply quickly and become a serious problem and have a negative impact on your business. Flies spread diseases and your food outlet may end up causing food poisoning to people. The best way to keep flies, insects and pests out of your business is to install fly screens on all windows and doors. That's the end of another video. I'm James Morris. Don't forget to download your food safety colour coding poster, absolutely free for you to share, distribute and use. If you like today's video, please like, subscribe and thank you for watching.